Icy weather is creeping east across the U.S. The frigid temperatures already gripping the Midwest and northern regions this week. People in North Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin have been under a wind chill advisory, with temperatures plunging to 12 below zero in Fargo today. Health and safety officials are warning residents to limit their time outdoors and to take extra precautions against frostbite and hypothermia.
Absolutely, it can be dangerous. So we're thinking mostly in this scenario about frostbite and hypothermia, both of which can be very dangerous to life and limb.
Below normal temperatures are expected for the weekend and Monday from the Pacific Northwest all the way to Virginia.